project. Where foreman kata simu do boss. Yo, so foreman ametutuma site, and this time we are in Kenya's youngest city, that is Eldoret City. Now in Eldoret City we are setting up a very marvelous structure. With me I have the project manager. Karibu sana. Welcome to the channel. Unaweza jintroduce na tueleze what you are doing here?
My name is Patrick Mwangi.
Yes.
I'm a construction project manager.
Yes.
And here we have a project where we are designing a hospital.
Yes.
So currently we are doing the civil works, as you can see. So here we have a Cabro paved driveway.
Okay.
What we've done, we did the setting out, of course, as you can see the level.
Yes. It was a bit higher.
It was a bit higher on that side.
Yeah.
But we had to do some surveying work to get the exact levels for this plot.
Yes, yes.
So next we called in a backhoe for the excavations.
Yeah.
As you can see, we had to do some surface stripping.
Yeah.
That's the loose topsoil.
Okay.
And also to reduce the levels so that we can get stable ground.
Yeah.
Next, we poured in the material. So this is basalt.
Yes, I've noticed that the stone that you have used is quite different than what I usually normally see.
You can see.
Is obviously this basalt. Why did you prefer this over the kawaida hardcore ile yenye tunapatanga kwa mjengo yetu? Foreman anasema tu ni mwage. Yours is very special.
Basalt is a very hard rock.
Yes.
So when you use it for the hardcore, and it's well compacted,
really,
you are 100% sure that this driveway is going to last you for very many years.
Yeah.
Because once it's well compacted, so as I was saying, it's a very hard rock.
Yeah.
It will give your driveway a very long lifetime.
Yeah.
So that's why I use it for hardcore. Once we are done with this layer, we called in the smooth roller, the heavy smooth roller.
Yes.
And we did some compaction. Actually did multiple passes just to ensure that all the rocks are well compacted. So the next step after this will be filling the gaps, as you can see. Since it's a very hard rock, even after using the heavy roller, there'll be still some gaps here and there. So that's why we have to bind it. Let me use that term.
Okay. Before you proceed to sealing the rocks, I've seen some cabros where unapata maybe lori kipita katikati. Cabro inainuka hii side, inainuka hii side. I think you've seen the same case. Ama cabro inatoka. What have you done here and it prevent that from happening?
So that's basically this step where we are at right now.
At the foundation here.
Yeah, this is the base of the foundation.
Yeah.
This is what will be under the foundation.
Yes.
So if you use this hard basalt rocks that do not weather over time.
Yes.
And they are well compacted with the right machinery. Because now when you are compacting, you have to put into consideration what type of vehicles will be passing by here.
True.
So for this section, because it's a commercial plot, we opted to use a heavy roller compactor, zile za barabara.
India.
Reason being, you never know, the client anaweza kuja na tipper hapa in future, maybe a very heavy tipper or a trailer backs into the property, alafu anashtuka. All of a sudden, one vehicle imeinua kabro zote and the entire property, just because he skipped a certain step. So since we don't like to take chances, that's why we had to do the right thing.
This is amazing. So once you're done with this, you've compacted with the roller compactor. Okay. I also noticed that you vibrated the roller compactor. You vibrated and compacted.
It's well, of course, they have to switch on the.
Yes. So what happens now? What's next?
What's next? We have to seal, because as you can see, there are some very many gaps. Before we pour in the chippings, we have to first to bind it so that we can reduce the volume of chippings that we're going to use.
Yes.
After binding, we're going to bind the chippings.
Yeah.
Then we're going to do the cabs.
The cabs, yes.
Before placing the cabros.
Wow. So basically that is a step that you're going to take. After you place the cabros, kazi kwisha.
No, you still have to do some storm drainage.
Yes.
Of course, there is landscaping. As you can see, the property has some piles of soil.
Yes, I can see that.
So basically, we have to leave the property before handing it over to the client. We have to make sure everything is level. We have the least amount of construction waste and debris on site.
Kweli.
Basically, we have to bring in a grader for this section.
Okay. Yeah. So actually, thank you. This was very insightful. I just thought that you just bring any hardcore yenye unapata in the shop or in the market and then you just buy it.
No.
Yes.
It's very good to choose the right materials because at the end of the day, the cost difference is very minimal, but the impact on your project will last for very many years.
Wow, amazing. So thank you so much for this tech. I can also see that you're also doing excavation for foundation works.
Yeah.
I would also like you to take us through that. But before we go anywhere, thank you sana. So let's head to our foundation utueleza 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, cameraman.